Today we're going to talk about solving systems with elimination, my personal favorite way to do it. Oh, yes. Now, when you are eliminating these variables, you're going to want the x's and the y's on the same side, and you're also going to want a set of them to match up. So, like on this first one, number 13, we're going to do together, you're going to want the x's to be the same number. So, like if they were 9 and negative 9, that's great. You want one positive, one negative. Same with the y's. You can get the y's to match up. Now, neither one of these sets do, but you can always force them to. You can multiply them. As long as you multiply everything in the equation by the same number, then the equation stays balanced. So if you're looking at the x's, and you're like, oh, well, what can 9 and negative 4, what can they both go into? 36. Great. Another way you can always do it, just take the numbers in front and flip them. So you can multiply a 4 up here and a 9 down here. That'll match up. Or if you'd rather, you can get the y's to match up. Now 9 and 5 can both go into 45, so you can multiply them to make them both 45. But again, make sure that you multiply everything in the equation. So the top equation times 4 would be 36x minus 36y equals negative 72. Now the second equation times 9 would give us negative 36x plus 45y equals 108. Now if we are to add straight down, then our x's will cancel out. 36x plus negative 36x is 0x. So those canceled. They've been eliminated. Now the y's, we have 45y minus 36y, so that would be 9y. 108 minus 72 gives you 36. Now that's a very easy equation to solve. You divide both sides by 9, you get y equals 4. But that's not our answer. We're looking for a coordinate, because we're looking for, if we were to graph these two equations, where would they cross each other? So y coordinate is 4. You can substitute that back into the original equations or even the new ones to figure out x. Usually the original ones are the easiest ones. They're just smaller numbers, but they all work. So I'm going to take the second equation, negative 4x plus 5y. We know y is 4 equals 12. And we'll solve this the rest of the way. 5 times 4 is 20. Negative 4x plus 20 equals 12. Subtract 20. Negative 4x equals negative 8. We'll go ahead and divide it by negative 4. And negative 8 divided by negative 4 is 2. So remember, your coordinate goes x, y. So we'll have 2, 4. See which letter that matches up with. Put it on the blank for number 13. And you're ready to go. We're going to do number 14 together as well.